Good morning, students. Today we are going to see chemical properties of alkali metals. Yesterday discussed about chemical properties of alkali metals. Today one chemical properties of alkali metals: alkali with water. Alkali metals react with water to give corresponding hydroxides with the liberations of hydrogen. Lithium added water molecules, lithium hydroxide, additional product hydrogen. They are react with alcohol and alkynes which contain active hydrogens. Sodium reacted to ethanol, ethyl sodium, additional product hydrogen. Reducing activity metal. Alkali metals can valence their valence electron readily, hence they act as a good reducing agent. Alkali metals they act as good reducing agent. Reactions with copper. Lithium directly react with carbon to form the ionic compounds, lithium carbides. Other metals do not react with carbon directly. However, when they are treated with compounds like acetylene, they form acetylides. For example, reactions lithium directly react to carbon, lithium carbide. Uses of alkali metals. Lithium metals is used to make useful alloys. For example, with lead it is used to make white metal brains for motor engines, with aluminium to make aircraft parts, and with magnesium to make armor plates. It is used in thermonuclear reactions. Lithium, it is used in thermonuclear reactions. The second point, it is also used to make electrochemical cells. Lithium is also used to make electrochemical cells. The third point, sodium is used to make alloy needed to make and lead metalloids. These organoid compounds were earlier used as anti-knocking additives to petrol, but nowadays lead-free petrol in use. Fourth point, liquid sodium metal is used as a coolant in fast breeder nuclear reactors. Liquid sodium, solid sodium. This one is liquid sodium metals. Then fifth one, potassium has a vital role in biological systems. Potassium chloride is used as fertilizers. Sixth one, potassium hydroxide is used in the manufacture of soft soaps. It is also used as an excellent absorbent of carbon dioxide. Potassium hydroxide also used as the excellent absorbent of carbon dioxide. And seventh one, cesium is used in devising photoelectric cells. The last one, uses of francium in everyday life. It is also used in many spectroscopic experiments. It is used for diagnostics for curing cancer. General characteristics of the compounds of alkali metals. All the compound or the common compounds of the alkali metals are generally ionic in nature. General characteristics of some of their compounds are discussed here. First one, oxides and hydroxides. Second one, properties of oxides and hydroxides. Halides, salts of oxo-oxides. They discuss about the first one, oxides and hydroxides. On compositions in excess of air, alkali metals forms normal oxides with the formula M2O, metal oxides. Normal oxides formula M2O, any one metal oxides. They react with water to form corresponding hydroxides which are basic in nature. Metal oxide added water, metal hydroxide. Metal oxide added water, metal hydroxide. Alkali metals spot from lithium from peroxides in addition to normal oxides upon combustions with excess air. These peroxides produce hydroxides and H2O2, hydrogen peroxides, upon reactions with water. Metal oxide react to water, metal hydroxide, additional product hydrogen peroxides. the metal sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, except lithium and sodium. All the other alkali metals form superoxides also. These superoxides also give basic hydroxides upon treatment with water. Metal oxide. Metal means potassium, rubidium, cesium. Metal oxide react to water. Two molecules metal hydroxide. Metal oxide react to water. Product metal hydroxide. Two molecules metal hydroxide. Additional product hydrogen peroxide. The another one product hydrogen. Except lithium and sodium, all the other alkali metals from superoxides also. These superoxides also give basic hydroxides upon treatment with water. Metal oxide added water, metal hydroxide. Additional product hydrogen peroxide. The another one product oxygen. Under appropriate conditions, pure compounds, metal oxide, metal peroxide or metal oxide may be prepared. Properties of oxides and hydroxides. The oxides and the peroxides are colorless when pure, but the superoxides are yellow or orange in color. The peroxides are dimagnetic while the superoxides are paramagnetic. Sodium peroxide is widely used an oxidizing agent. The hydroxides are obtained by the reactions of the oxides with water are all white crystalline solids. The alkali metal hydroxides are strong bases. They dissolved in water with the evaluations of heat on account of intense hydration. Topic halides. The alkali metals halides MX. M metal, X on the fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine are colorless crystalline solids with a high melting point. They can be prepared by the reactions of the approximate oxides, hydroxides or carbonate with aqueous hydroholic acids. As the electropositive characters of alkali metals increases from lithium to cesium, the electropositive characteristics of alkali metal increases. Lithium to cesium increases. Else, which the metals from halides increases from lithium to cesium. All halides are ionic in nature except lithium bromide and lithium iodide. Except lithium fluorine, all other halides are soluble in water. The low solubility of lithium fluoride in water is due to its high lactic enthalpy. Due to the presence of covalent nature, both lithium bromide and lithium iodide are soluble in organic solvents. Salts of oxo acids. Alkali metals form salts with all the oxo acids. Most of these salts are soluble in water and are thermally stable. As the electropositive character increases down the group, the stability of the carbonates and bicarbonates increases. However, lithium carbonate is considerably less stable and they decompose rarely. This due to the large size difference between lithium and carbonate, which they makes the crystal lactic unstable. Being the metal carbonate added carbon dioxide added water. Reactions to metal hydrocarbonate. Metal means sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium. For example, sodium carbonate added carbon dioxide added water, sodium hydrocarbonate. For example, sodium carbonate added carbon dioxide added water, product sodium bicarbonate. Second one example, potassium carbonate added carbon dioxide added H2 molecules, product to potassium bicarbonate. Rubidium carbonate added carbon dioxide added H2 molecules, rubidium bicarbonate. Thank you.